Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change username of Minecraft. If you are playing the Minecraft and for any reason you want to change your username, then I'll show you how it can be done easily. So first you have to make sure you have the Minecraft launcher. If not, you can get it from the store of Microsoft. Once you have it, simply open it up and log in with your account. Now once you're onto this page, on the left bottom side you will see the settings option. Click onto it, then click on account, and in your account you will see three dots. Click onto it, you have to click on this option which is manage account. After that it will take you to the website of Minecraft where it will also ask you to sign in. So just simply sign up using your account, and then you have to click onto your profile option, and after that it will just take a while in the loading, and once the loading is done it will take you to this page. Here you will find the option related to your account and your Minecraft information, and there you will see your username or your ID, and you will also see this option which is the settings. You have to click onto it, and once you click onto it you will see this option which is change game ID or game tag. This is basically your username. So what you have to do is you have to click on this pencil icon, or you can directly click onto it and further it will open. Now in the customize section you can add your new username, but one thing you have to understand that it may cost you some money if you're not subscribed to the Minecraft game. Otherwise if you have it, then it would not ask you for any sort of subscription and it will get changed immediately. And it will show you this sign success, that means the username has been changed, but it would not be changed immediately. It will take few minutes in the processing, and after that your username will be changed. So that's how you will be able to change your username in Minecraft. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.